Okay, quickly, I want to introduce you. This is Farm B of Yogo You Feed Them Farms. And just to bring you, as you can see, this is the water. At this point where you see built is the drill. This water is drilled 250 feet down, around 85 meters down. And the production of this water is 5 cubic meters an hour. That means in a day, if it is pumped 6 hours, it can give us up to a maximum of 60,000 liters in a day. And it has a continuous refill, so that pump rate is really, really good. It was really unexpected. That is our powerhouse. Owino, can you turn it on? Is there electricity? Yeah. Initially, if you saw in the morning, we offloaded a generator, a big generator from my car. That generator that generator is the one we bought initially, that we used to start before electricity came. But now, because they were working overnight there, it had to be there to provide electricity. And we are going to use it for the crusade anyway, to provide power and a standby. So that generator is for here. But right now, because we have electricity, we pump the water using electricity.
And the whole community gets to use the water?
The whole community gets to use the water. That's why if you see by the school, you'll see a bluish tin, small. Yep. That's a water collection point. At the school, there's a tap. Close to Farm A, there's a tap. There's also a community collection point. And this is a community collection point. So the community is able to use the water freely. Here we don't charge the water. They get it freely because we are still just letting them use it. But by January, because we want to start charging it, because we are having a cost, though it is very minimal because of electricity now. In the farm, this is a farm, as you can see it up to the other end. We have corn, we have watermelon at some corridor. I don't know whether they are all removed. But on the other side, we have kales, we have cabbages, we have onions, and we make this farm as active as ever. At any point, there should be food either planted or being harvested, or in the middle. At any time, these farms are busy. We have acquired 4 more acres at the other end, in the middle, just close to the school. But we've not started farming, and we project by January we will be able to farm those 4 acres again. We will have a total aggregate of 12 acres in Yogo. So this is how far we've come. As I said, the water was a donation through Community Bible Church, and we are really, really, really grateful, because one of the things that we are waiting to do now is to renovate our fish ponds, desilt them and line them so that we can put fingerlings back into it. That is also a very, very major investment, and we've not gotten there. As we said, our projects are faith projects. We pray, we project our vision, cast it out, and trust that the Lord will, when He opens the door in His best timing, we will move forward. Yeah. So we can go. I want you to walk up to, I don't know whether you still have strength.
Yes,
do you?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Christine, do you? Can you still walk? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. We went to road. Yeah. So you can, anybody who wants to have a sight of the solar farm or treatment plant, here it is. Owino is our technician here, is the operator. So he can tell you when he wants to pump water, what do you do? When you want to pump water, kidwa teropi malo itangi.
My switch.
That is this. Oh, it is just that simple. Okay. So right now, is it pumping up?
Yeah.
Okay. So that just that switch, you switch off. You switch on, off, and water is pumped. We have generator here as standby, but right now, as I said, it is at the residence. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you guys are asking for our home. Our home is just there. We'll pass by there shortly. But we can go.
Turn off the auto or whatever.
Should I?
I think so, because it won't refocus.